Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with the N20 or N26 engine guys, and I'm talking this engine has been used in multiple BMW models such as 3 Series, 4 Series, 5, X1, X3 guys, multiple BMW use that N20, N26 engine guys. And you're trying to find your Valvetronic motor, stay with us guys and we'll explain where it's located and how to get to it in case you need to replace it. Something else guys, we're going to share something very helpful that can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on future repairs if you have that engine, so make sure to stay until the end. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least guys 200 to 300 videos, and on that specific BMW and that engine we'll be taking it completely apart, so we'll have more than probably 300 to 400 videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy a new Valvetronic motor or any special tools, we have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience so you can see where we get everything from. This is guys a 2013 BMW 528 that we'll demonstrate on. And what we did here now guys, okay, we've been working on it quite a bit. We did timing chain replacement, and that's what I'm talking about. That can cost you $5,000 to $10,000. That our timing chain failed at 87,000 miles, timing chain guide failed. And as a result guys, we jumped 3 teeth on the intake camshaft. I think we saved the engine this time, but most of you will not be lucky if the timing chain fails. So you guys want to check which vehicles are affected by the faulty components. From what I understand, there is faulty components for certain years, and we made video on that. It's on the channel. And if you need to get any of the replacement parts, timing chain kits, tools, all that, we have the special video that's super long, everything from start to finish, so you must check it out guys. Now, in order guys to get to the Valvetronic motor, you have to remove, okay, your valve cover. We have a special video that explains the replacement and all that stuff, but for some of you that are just trying to locate it, because removing it's not too complicated, you need to guys remove the valve cover. Once you guys remove your valve cover, and if you want to see the video, we have it on the channel. It's called valve cover removal on BMW N20 N26 engine. Once you remove your valve cover, right here guys, this is your Valvetronic motor, okay, right there. That's where it's located in case you need to remove it. This is the torque socket guys, okay, that you're going to need to remove and replace it. We'll have the link in the description of the video below as well if you want to check it out. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link as well guys. If you have any questions about anything on that engine guys, leave a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.